hope all is well. Today is Thursday, March 25th, and today's video is on Vanessa Bling, as she took to her Instagram to share the inside of her closet and explain she loves to be a fashionista. Let's have a look.
Hi, it's your girl Vanessa Bling. Welcome. Yeah, come. So today we're about to talk about my style. Not everybody's style, but my style. For me, image is very important as an artist. Like, me have to look good, like, no joke about that. Keeping it classy is something that I love. I just love to be different. I just love to look like a lady. You know, sometimes going on the road, I put on my jeans with a sneakers and my top. Just classy and nice, simple is very important too. I'm about to show you in my closet some stuff that I wear before and never wear before. I think it's gonna be fun. Are you ready? Let's go. They say I look like a model, I shape like a bottle. Him want me tonight, him don't want me tomorrow. Red is my favorite color, as you know. I really love this dress. I don't know what you think. Catch the earring, the shoes. Why did I buy this outfit? Normally I just get up, buy stuff, so just in case I'm going for an event or a dinner, I already have something put down. But I really love the red. I think, you know, this outfit, you know. What do you think? So I'm about to go into my closet one more time, show you a next piece, tell me what you think. Music I'm a passion. Me I can style it like a fashion. Me not have no time I listen to them cause the title and I feed them. Me not see them. My style and everybody's style. Once I'm confident and comfortable, me good. Whether it fitted or not, classy is everything. Are you ready for the third piece? Let's go. Oh nana, you know I work hard for the dollar. I grind, grind, grind till I come up. I wine on the cash, I'm girl right here, boss. Up on it, making my life. Girl like me, like designer. I have a piece of story to give you now. So this dress, Wendy was the first one to wear this dress. My stylist called me, said me have the baddest dress for you. So any which way, she come pick me up, went to the store. When we go by the store, they had the third one leave because Kylie bought the second one. So I'm not if that tell you the price of the dress, but just know that dress here couldn't feed a lot of ghetto youth. So the moral of the story is I will never buy because dress more so expensive again. But I really love the dress. It was on my EP, so you know, I didn't have to go all out. Yeah, catch it. And by the way, this bag came out the same day. I was the first one to have the bag. Talk to me nice. Guys, you can comment below and tell me which of my outfits you love the best. Digicel, D Music, we're better together. You can leave now. For my independent ladies, na 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 na.